The acidic property of lemons can be very useful in treating acne. Lemon will clean out dirt that has accumulated in the pores and will harden the sebum. You can use it on your skin daily, but if it is too drying, then use it every 2 or 3 days. Gently rub lukewarm water and a mild soap on your skin using your fingertips. Wash with warm water and allow your skin to dry for 5-10 minutes. Cut a fresh lemon in half and squeeze each half into a bowl. Dip a cotton ball into the freshly squeezed juice. Dab the wet cotton ball to your affected area. A small stinging or itching sensation is normal. If the stinging is unmanageable, add water to the solution to dilute the acidity. Wait 20 minutes and rinse. Allow the lemon juice to dry. After 20 to 30 minutes, rinse your face with warm water. Apply moisturizer if necessary.
If you like my videos, give it thumbs up and share with your friends.